All right, today's lesson is on perpendicular lines, and we're going to start with the definition. Perpendicular lines are two lines whose intersection forms a right angle. For example, let's say we have line M and line L. When you see this box, that means 90 degrees. And the symbol for perpendicular is this symbol here. So we can say line L is perpendicular to line M. That's how you read that. Now here's an example where this line intersects another. Let's say line L and M again. It doesn't intersect quite in the center, but when it comes to perpendicular, we're looking at the angle. We're not concerned with the midpoint. But never assume that because the line intersects and it looks like it's 90 degrees, that it's 90 degrees. This could well be 89 degrees, which looks close to 90, but it's not. So we say that line M is not perpendicular to line L. And here's another situation where we have two lines that intersect each other, but the angles do not form 90 degrees. Let's say this is line K and line J. Again, line J is not perpendicular to K because the intersection does not form 90-degree angle. All right, this concludes our lesson for perpendicular lines.